Hello, YouTube. This is JR Juan Roberto, and you're looking at JC Torres. He made a jig from scratch out of MDF and some metal stock. The wood jig is holding the 4.5-inch angle grinder connected to a 3-bladed molding head, a Craftsman number 9-3200 molding head. The block itself is being held by a mini metal jig made out of 2-inch wide and 3/8-inch thick flat stock with some threaded bolts and nuts and some 1/2-inch square tube stock. That's bolted to the compound vise, which can then be moved so that you can achieve a nice smooth finish throughout. With a 1-inch wide bit and a 8 inches in length block, about 8 passes and it's nice and smooth. The great thing about this is it's easy to make multiple sanding blocks. In this case, we're making 8-inch length, but we're also going to make 4-inch length and 16-inch length radius blocks so that we can dress fingerboards and or make fingerboards. In the rear of the jig, you'll see on the pivoting 2x4 section, there's small holes so that incrementally you can adjust it from 10 all the way up to 16 inches. There's the lathe. The lathe is about a 10 by 48 inch working station. The chuck is 8 inches, and that's holding the wooden jig from the front, and from the rear it's being held by a heavy-duty tamping bar. You can see there to the left the jig holding the block. It's just another way of making radius blocks. Instead of using a router, we used this molding head connected to the angle grinder. And it's very simple, very effective. The radius blocks just need to be finish sanded, some tung oil applied and properly labeled, and we'll send you a update video in the future showing how we use these things. Special thanks to JC Torres. Thanks, YouTube. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the future. Take care.